Talibans racking up big numbers and earning Sinjay Byron Messia an album deal with Geffen Records. Messia, born in Jamaica at KPH, but at barely 2 months was taken to St. Kitts, where he was raised by a friend of his mother's.
What's St. Kitts like?
I mean, St. Kitts is very beautiful, you know, a charming country. And there's a sister island called Nevis, only 5 minutes away by boat, you know.
His early music exposure was to the fast-paced Kittitian version of soca.
I always was a fan of Wailers in primary school growing up. Even my adopted mother, she used to be on the kitchen counter with my baby bottle singing like a Wailers, you know. Age of 15 in high school now, you know. That's when I found the love to actually do dancehall music. Yeah, them time Massacre was running the streets hot with Paint the City Red freestyle.
What was it about Massacre you liked?
It's wordplay. Yeah, he's very creative. He's a very creative individual.
But Kittitians his age also drawn to US rap.
To tell the truth, I started out doing rap, but then I made the switch over to dancehall just because my peers, my friends were like, yo, you sound good doing this.
Messia at a loss after leaving high school. Friends, however, urged him to follow where his talent led.
The sound that I'm trying to bring to the table right now is more soulful, you know? It's a more spiritual touching sound, and it just mixed with the dancehall pattern of drums.
Hey baby, me missing you a lot. Open up our necks now, lifting up the fat. Me giving you a last, me giving you a. And I sip in my pants, so me sip it on the rock. Till you say me have a girl, till you say no get attached. You don't want to kill me, tell them stop to spin the block.
Messiah's first effort on a dancehall beat via a producer called Shetty, a big hit in St. Kitts.
I was singing about like heartbreaks and, you know, like soulful music. And everybody else was just about the grimy side, and you know how dancehall keep it, and people like, nah, this youth man different, you know? So I had majority of people listening to me at the time. And then it wasn't until now, few years after, Kels and Prince Swanee discovered me.
Kels here with him in Ocherius, his current manager. Prince Swanee, the big name in what's known as Trinidad.
I don't do Trinidad music, to be honest, right? I do dance soul music because remember, I was based in St. Kitts for more years than I was based in Trinidad or even based in Jamaica. And I'm so happy to have different dialects. Like, I could switch up my Trini accent, I could give them a Jamaican accent.
Give us some right now, just prove your point.
Okay,
illustrate
so Jamaica, yo, what going? You don't know, you know, me there, on the ground and thing and what's not, though. And then my Kittitian accent is, bye, me don't know what to really going on, and you know, me don't know what to really talk about and all these kind of things, right? You see? And that's the next thing too, what people don't understand. The Jamaican accent is very similar to the Kittitian accent. So, and like me, I come and say, oh, I come and try, you know, mimic somebody. I try copy nobody and them thing. It's just, they're very similar. And I won't lie, why I love the Jamaican accent so much, it is more universal. It is the most universal Caribbean language out of all Caribbean patois and dialect, eh? You know? And then you don't know me Trinidad accent be like, my dog, you think? So yo, tell me life every day, dog, you think?
Say man bad like in 90s. Tell a boy don't step on my Nikes. Poor place get lively. And me there in me.
I moved to Trinidad. This was 2022 to 2023. I was actually in Trinidad for a good 7 months, you know? Around Swanee at the time, and then, you know, it's just the environment, and I say, yo, it's either you adapt or you die. So at the time, I just say, you know what? I give them something different now, man.
Something grimy. Talibans, the result.
Say you're bad from which part?
His name is Asia Fire, and he's from California, actually. I didn't even know that. I thought it was a Nigerian producer. That.
The beat plucked from YouTube.
Them times I wasn't big to say like I'm my own producer, you know? So we used to always scan through YouTube, find a beat and we do the thing, we purchase the beat and bam, we go on and roll with it. So we had the song almost a year now, you know, and then when we went foreign now, because me and Swanee was in Miami now. We just a bump it, everywhere we go we just a bump it. You had one garage spot we used to line, like hang out. Everywhere, everybody a bump it, everybody a going crazy for it. Kels pull up and Kels are going crazy for it. I say, yo, that song you're bad. And then 3 nights after, prior to that now, we do one live And oh my God, when I went to sleep and got up in the morning, you know, the live was TikTok and Instagram famous and viral. Like people are crave it. I say, yo, we need this song now. And that's when me know, okay, then we find it.
Remember me born Kingston, they love
That is it.
drink rum, key shit like a Jada Kingdom.
I know for sure it's the melodies that were used to create that masterpiece. Like the intro alone, da 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 da. It just make you want bounce, make you want vibes, you know, something catchy, you know. And one thing Governor always teach me, bro, the first 2 lines of your song is going to be the entire song. So you see when me come and say you're bad from which part? Tell a rookie we never lit dog. That was it. Me and him have one song. I'm Stranger to Happiness. Used to shot people, but now we shot the liquor. Bam.
And something of a bam bam for Messia when social media erupted over comments he was quoted as making, which were seen as a diss to dancehall.
I've been waiting for you to ask me this question, out of all questions, right? I'll tell you something. Sometimes people just have to listen properly and comprehend before them speak or quick to comment. How can I disrespect Jamaican culture when in Talibans, before the song even bust, the biggest song, I say, remember me born Kingston. I big up Jamaica one time. In a Mocha, before me even went and say what me say, me tell them, yard man teach me how to do something. I have songs with countless of producers from Jamaica. I have songs with countless of artists from Jamaica, and I respect the craft. And it's a reason why them never tell me, say, oh, you go one-sided, when me say what me say, right? Because them
So
know.
tell us what you said.
I tell them, say, I consider myself as a rapper. And you know what happened to? People want me to say, they want me to cap, they want me to lie, they want me to come out here and be like, oh, me go up and listen dancehall. Like, no, bro, me never, where I'm from, me never go up and listen dancehall like music. At the end of the day, a dancehall music I'm currently doing. But if I get the chance to do any other form of music, I am going to step up my game. I'm going to show the world what I'm capable of doing. Understand?
Talibans is a dancehall song.
Well, yes, I will call it a dancehall song. I've been seeing people saying it's an Afro song. But the reason why I will call it a dancehall song is because the melodies what we use and the creativity behind of it all is very dancehall-like. And you know, as a dancehall run deeper than just being dancehall as music. But the truth of the matter is, no matter if we want to call it a dancehall song, it's gonna have the people them we create genres and in charge of genres and distribute genres. They're gonna make you know, no, it is an Afro song. But me, we consider it as a dancehall song.
But Sing J, or rapper, his sound is catchy. Geffen pitched a deal.
No, I haven't sold my soul. That's all me have to say, because at that then probably I say like, John, no, you don't carry your gun down in jail now. And
A-list LA producers have played host, and he's shooting a video with Russian in Jamaica. All a far cry from where he thought he'd be at just 23.
like, all now I was expecting myself to still be on the block, freestyle with my friend them and just, you know, say, yeah, true bad, we going home. Forward back on the block tomorrow, and yeah, we just have to do the same thing over and over, you know, so.
Are you in touch with your parents?
Well, yeah, me speak to my real mother, you know. Shout out best.
Not your dad?
In past away, man, you know.
But you're in touch with your mother. She must be feeling a range of different emotions.
But you know how it goes still, man, you know.
Messiah's visit here also about smoothing ruffled feathers.
You flew here to do what? Why was it important to be here right now?
I came to work actually, but the main priority was me say, yo, me need to come down here so and clear up my name, you know. Enough of them unnecessary back attacking what go on, you so. I'm gonna say, no, I'm gonna take the time out and just fly in, clear up my name and my gun. I mean, if people still feel offended, you know, cause I mean we are humans at the end of the day, you know. And everybody are gonna like you, and not everybody are gonna hate you. But to my fans them, you know, me just come up with us. Clarify everything still.
Tell up to we no laugh, we no take talk. For your little people at you shoulda keep in your bed, cause the Talibans them a make quack. We no laugh.